So, good evening students, welcome back. So, today we are going to solve question number 11. Mohan, Nagaraju, Prakash are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 4:3:2. Mark, 4:3:2 is called as old ratio. Their balance sheet as on 31/3/18 was as follows. Creditor external liability mark as E. Bills payable mark as E. Prakash loan. Prakash is a partner. Partner's loan is internal. ಅದು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. So take Prakash loan straight to cash account. Then we have reserve fund distribute to all partners in old ratio. Mark as AP in OR. Then capital account of Mohan, Nagaraj, Prakash is called as balance brought down. Then we have cash, data, stock, investment, furniture, building, goodwill. Excluding cash, cash ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ asset transfer to realization account. Don't transfer cash. On the above date, the firm was dissolved and the following information is available. The assets realized as follows. What are the assets realized? Number one, debtor realized 10% more than book value. Sorry, debtor realized 10% less than book value. So since debtor is realized 10% less than book value, you need to calculate debtor at 90%. So debtor realized is 90%. Investment realized 20% more than book value. That means investment has to be calculated at 120%. Debtor calculate at 90%. Investment calculate at 120%. Then building realized 60,000. Stock realized 12,000. Furniture sold for 15,000. So adjustment number 1 talks about assets realized. Next, goodwill is taken over by Mohan at 15,000. So one asset is taken over by a partner. Creditors and BP are settled at 5% each, at a discount of 5% each. That means creditors and BP are paid not at 100% but at 95%. Realization expenses 200,000. So prepare realization account, partners capital account and bank account. What are the main highlights? Old ratio 4:3:2. Creditor external, bills payable external. Prakash loan is internal, straight to be taken to cash account. Reserve fund distribute to all partners in old ratio. AP in OR. Then capital account of all Mohan, Nagaraj, Prakash is called balance brought down. Asset side living cash. Transfer all assets to debit side of realization account. Number 1 talks about assets realized. Debtor realized 90%. Stock investment realized 120%. Building sold 60,000. Stock sold 12,000. Furniture sold 15,000. And Mohan took over goodwill at 15,000. So one partner has taken over an asset. So goodwill is not sold, goodwill is taken over. So goodwill will not come under cash account, it will come under Mohan's capital account. Creditor and BP are paid at 95%. Realization expenses 2,000. Here's the answer, students. First step, transfer all assets to debit side, to data, to stock, to investment, to furniture, to building, to goodwill. So step number 1, 1,21,000. Step number 2, transfer external liability. There are only two external liability, by creditor, by BP, 42,000 total. Then assets sold will come in credit side. By cash under the debtor 90%. You get 24,300. How you get 24,300? Debtor 27,000 into 90%, you get 24,300. Next, investment calculated at 120%. How? 5,000 into 120%. I repeat, 5,000 into 120%, you get 6,000. So therefore, investment is 6,000. Next, followed by building realized, stock realized, furniture realized. Goodwill is taken over by Mohan. So goodwill will not come under cash account, will come under Mohan's capital account. Next, we have liabilities paid. So it comes in opposite side to cash. Under that, creditors paid at 95%. Bills payable paid at 95%. How you get? So you take 25,000 into 95%, you get 23,750. BP 17,000 into 95%, you get 16,150. You get dissolution expenses 2,000. Total step number 4, 41,900. So you get realization profit 11,400. Distribute to all partners, you get 5,067, 3,800, 2,533. Now let us prepare capital account. By balance brought down 30,000, 20,000 and 10,000. Distribute reserve fund to all the three partners, then realization profit. No liabilities are taken over, but Mohan has taken over an asset. So to realization account 15,000, that is called goodwill. So Mohan took over goodwill at 15,000. So balancing amount payable to the partners at the time of dissolution 28,067, 29,800, 16,533. Then cash account to balance brought down, bring down the cash balance to realization account assets sold. By realization liabilities paid, Mohan capital, Nagaraj capital, Prakash capital, and we have Prakash loan. So total cash account is 1,26,300. Thank you.